The battle continues tonight to contain several brush fires burning across central Texas. And that includes this one east of Wimberley, happening in Hays County.
Pictures from the county's emergency management office show the flames lighting up the night sky. This was last night. Now here's where those 3 active fires are burning today. Working left to right here, the largest is north of Fredericksburg in Gillespie County. Another along the Blanco-Hays County line. And then there's the one near Wimberley. You just saw the pictures of that fire just a few seconds ago. KVUE's Tanvi Verma has been on the ground there in Hays County today. Tanvi, that fire also the only one now where we have active evacuations. Is that right?
That's right, Brian. So right now, people who live off of Bluff View Road are under mandatory evacuations, and people who live off of Water Parks Road and Winding Trail are preparing to potentially have to be under mandatory evacuation orders. 14 homes could be threatened by the fire, and one house has already seen some damage, though we are told it is minimal. The fire is at 10% containment as of now. We know that they're dropping fire retardant and water from helicopters trying to quell this fire. We spoke to Judge Ruben Becerra of Hays County about their efforts in trying to quell this fire.
The winds are high, as you well know. We have many assets out here, helicopters and fixed-wing planes, and everybody doing everything they can. But if nature doesn't cooperate with us and the fire keeps going aggressively against us, then we have to be prepared to continue saving of lives and homes.
We're told that they're using water from the Blanco River to dump on the fire, hoping that it will quell it. We're also told that there are no injuries reported just yet. Back to you.
All right, our Tanvi Verma out at that fire. Tanvi, thank you very much.